Hey guys, it's Teresa. Today I am back with another video. I am going to be removing these iTip hair extensions because I am going to go get my hair braided tomorrow. So I have these iTips in that have been in for, I don't know, a few weeks, like 3 weeks maybe. Let's see. I'm gonna go ahead and remove them using this tool, and then I gotta wash my hair and stuff. I've been waiting to take these out before I wash my hair. So it's really easy. So I'm gonna show you, let me just pull this over to the side so I can show you guys how to do it. I showed you how to install them. I showed you guys how to make them already. I'll link those videos up here somewhere. But I have not shown you guys how to remove them. So show us. All right, so here is the tool. So it has this upper circle that helps to undo or to open up the micro links. This right here is what we're gonna use, and then we can also just, you know, use this part right here to open it up. I'll show you. All right, so what you're gonna do is find the one that you're gonna remove. So here it's flat. Put it in the hole right there, like that, right? See it? Can you see it? And then you just want to simply squeeze it, and it just slides on off. All right, let's do the next one. I'm gonna take our piece right here, okay? Put our tool around it, you see? Like this. Squeeze it. And it should release it. If it doesn't, try it again. Put it in the hole. Squeeze it to release. And then that's it. And here's our iTip, okay? Go ahead and do another one. So you have this. Get your tool on there. Boom. Right? Make sure that it's in there evenly. If it's like that one wasn't. If it's not in there evenly, then just go ahead and adjust it so that it is. So you have it in there like this. Go ahead and squeeze it. And there you go. It just comes right on off. Now you can save these clips for another time if they're still in good condition. Otherwise, you can discard them. Alright, and then you'll just want to just pull your piece, your iTip hair extension off. And it's that easy. I look so crazy right now. I look so crazy right now. Do it like this. Take it. Squeeze it. Pull it off. Sometimes the hair will come with it. Sometimes it won't because it is glue, and I have been blow drying my hair and flat ironing it, and I've been taking it to the top. So it's like the keratin glue has somewhat attached itself to my hair in some of these. So then that's why I like to go ahead and separate it a little bit. Just like this. Oh, let me show you another way that you guys can do it. So you guys can grab it. If you don't have this tool, if you just have like some pliers or something, grab it. So you see how this is flat right here. Take the pliers on each side of the flat piece and squeeze it to open it. Okay, so I'll show you. So here it is. It's flat, right? It's flat right there. Flat. So you're gonna take your pliers on each side of the flat part like this, on each side. Okay, so then you're holding it like this, and then you're going to squeeze it, okay? And then it'll just go ahead and open, and that's how you do that. Boom. And see how I'm like molding it back into a little circle like this. So that's how you get it. I hope that that helped. We'll do another one. Here we go. So we have this. It's flat right here on this side. This side is flat. So we're gonna go on each side of the flat. Grab that, pinch it, and release. Okay. The hair came off with this one. So you can just, if you're gonna save it, just take your bead off. And then here's your iTip. And that's how you do that. I just look so crazy. I just look so crazy right now. And then we're just gonna go ahead and just continue this process until all of them are out. Alright guys, so that is how I take out my iTip hair extensions. It can be a little time consuming, but it is relatively easy. I hope that you guys enjoyed this video and you found it to be helpful. I will see you guys in the next video. Bye! Done.
Bye.
Oh my god.